Ready to get organized and boost your team's collaboration? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to set up a project hub in Confluence by Atlassian. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a central place where your team can track project info, share updates, and stay on the same page, literally. Let's jump right in and start building your project hub. We'll begin by creating a new space in Confluence. Think of a space as a dedicated workspace or even a digital room just for your project. This keeps everything tidy and all your project materials in one easily accessible location. On your Confluence dashboard, look for the option that says Create Space. It's usually in the side menu. Click that and you'll be prompted to name your space. Here, type in Project Hub or a name that best fits your project or team. This name matters because it's what everyone will see and click on, so make sure it's clear and recognizable. Don't worry, you can always change it later if you need to adjust. Next, with your space created and named, let's add our first page. You'll see a button that says Add Page. Click on it to bring up the new page screen. This is where your project hub will actually live, so imagine this page as the front door to your project's online home. Down toward the bottom of the page creation screen, you'll notice an option labeled All Templates. Go ahead and click that. It might take a couple of seconds for all the templates to load. It's normal, just give it a moment. Now here comes the fun part. In the template search box, type Project. Confluence offers a range of templates designed specifically for project management and hubs, so you can pick one that closely matches your needs. For example, you might see Project Poster, Project Plan, or specifically a Project Hub template. If you're not sure which one to pick, start with the Project Hub. It's a solid foundation that covers most collaboration needs. Once you've found the template you like, click on it to start customizing. You'll now have a brand new page based on that template, and you'll be prompted to give it a name. Again, try something specific, maybe your project's name for easy reference. For example, Website Redesign Hub or Q3 Marketing Campaign. Here, where you get to make it your own. Personalize and edit the page so it really fits your project's workflow and culture. Update any placeholder text, add links to important resources, insert a team calendar, or tweak the layout to highlight key deliverables and responsibilities. Take your time here. It's kind of like setting up a shared office bulletin board. You want it to be clear, informative, and inviting for your team. If you're stuck, think about what kind of information you would look for if you were joining the project tomorrow. Once your hub looks good, it's time to share it with your team. In Confluence, you'll usually see a share button or an option to invite collaborators. Go ahead and add your teammates' emails or share the page link. This is crucial because a project hub only supports your team when everyone knows it exists and can access it. Give your team a heads up and maybe even a quick walkthrough of the hub to help them get oriented. Finally, when you're ready, hit Publish to make your project hub live. That's it. Your team now has a streamlined central spot in Confluence to manage your project and stay connected. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or tips for setting up a project hub. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical Confluence tutorials, and best of luck with your project.